In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your company logo to Salesforce. By the end, your workspace will reflect your brand and your users will see a consistent look every time they log in. Before we start, make sure you have your logo file handy on your computer. A high-quality PNG with a transparent background usually looks great, and keeping the file size reasonable helps it load quickly. Start by heading to the top right of Salesforce and clicking the gear icon. From the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup. This opens the setup area where you control all your organization's customization settings. Once you're in Setup, use the search box on the left to type Themes and Branding, then click it from the results. This page shows any themes that already exist for your org. A theme controls the overall look and feel, including the brand image or logo. Next, look to the top right of the Themes and Branding page and click New Theme. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your theme. Choose something clear and recognizable, like your company name or a specific campaign. You can add a short description to remind future admins what this theme is for. Below the name fields, you'll see options to upload images for your theme, including your brand image or logo. Click the Upload button next to the appropriate field, select your logo file from your computer, and wait for it to upload. You should see a preview, which is a great moment to check that the logo isn't stretched, blurry, or too small. If it doesn't look right, try a different file with the correct proportions. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving stores your theme so you can come back to it later if you want to tweak colors or swap images. To make your changes visible to users, you'll now need to activate the theme. On the theme's detail page, click Activate. As soon as it's activated, Salesforce applies the theme across your org. If you don't see the new logo right away, give the page a quick refresh. Sometimes it can take a moment for the change to appear, especially if a tab has been open for a while. And that's it. You clicked the gear icon and opened Advanced Setup, searched for Themes and Branding, created a new theme, uploaded your logo, saved, and activated the theme. Your company's identity is now front and center in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly branded experience.